Hello guys, today I'm at GamingTech studio to build my first keyboard, custom keyboard that is super expensive. It's not in the affordable category, but
It's a high-end model.
Since I'm a rich Bulgarian girl, I can cash out and get this one. Let's try that. So GamingTech, what are we doing?
Flip the keyboard.
Oh, it's so heavy.
It is heavy.
Oh guys, this is super heavy. Okay.
Do you know what this is?
I think I know that this is for wireless charging.
Yes.
Here it's like a foil on top, and you can wireless charge it on what? On charger special one.
Yeah, Angry Miao has their own.
Oh, you can't use normal mobile charger maybe. Or
Never tried. I don't know.
You use like charging pad.
I have no idea.
Okay, so what are we doing?
Screw bit.
Okay. Okay, it worked.
Have you seen the color of the screws? No, that's magnetic pad also there.
Yeah, I see it's a shiny rainbow.
It's pretty cool. So what made you decide to buy this keyboard?
I always liked expensive stuff and I always wanted to have the best.
No, do the same what I showed you. Once? Yeah.
It's pretty, it's actually pretty.
No, wait till you see the inside of it.
I think it's not that hard to build as well.
This one is the most easy keyboard to build ever. And you chose to use ceramic keycaps with Ink V2 stabilizers. The only thing I don't like on this back plate is it leaves a lot of fingerprints.
Yeah, I also think the same.
Like they could have done some special coating there.
For that kind of money they should have.
You know, I saw another keyboard. Guess how much it cost?
Oh.
4,000 almost.
That's very disgusting.
And it's sold out.
People lost.
4,000 level. Is that the last one?
Yes.
So 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 screws, basically. Yeah, lift it. There's no mechanism there. You lift the entire thing. Boom. It's crazy.
I shall remove them.
Yes, you open them, the latch, very gently. Yeah. Open.
Yes, are useful for something.
Nice. And you can just take out the entire thing.
The PCB.
Yeah, just lift it. Done. You see, the frame is completely loose. This is the R2.5 version. It's meant to be softer typing experience.
But this is very annoying. Wait, I removed it.
Really? I did it so easily.
How do you even remove them without nails?
You just pull them. Look. Boom.
It's okay, it's almost... This is so annoying.
Do you want me to do that?
I did it. It's okay, I do it.
You have...
I have more, I know.
I'll do one here.
I did it?
You have one
No,
more.
one more. It's just about how to take it.
I mean, come on, you don't deal with screws and this should be loose. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, place it on top and you have your steps, and this part you remember.
Do it.
Don't you? Flip it. That's the foam, underneath foam. Don't need that. You unscrew each of these and you lube them. Come on, admit it's easy keyboard to build.
Which one is
this? Probably this one.
I bought you this.
I know. Nice. Good job.
Hope I didn't break anything.
No, I don't think so.
These are too stable to break.
I have spare.
Or
I
to-
don't think you would break them that easily. But have I looped that little bit? Yeah, there is.
There is looping to it. Do you want me to loop them again since you looped them?
No, I haven't looped them. I think this is the pre-applied one that they did shitty job on. I didn't loop these. I left them completely stuck. Oof. You asked them to send you unlooped ones and they still touch them.
I'm sure you
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
loop
yeah,
them.
yeah.
Don't do that intentionally.
No, I didn't. Why would I make you take it apart then? It would be stupid and torture.
Gypsy. You will never stop being gypsy, won't you?
Why you ask for tissue?
Go buy. They're not that expensive. Toilet paper. Almost.
Wow! I actually learned something new from you. I didn't know you. I put them in dish soap. Let
Yeah.
them soak overnight.
Yes, but that will spare time now. Okay. Yeah.
This blue pad is also very nice.
Here also, right?
Yeah. You should just see white coating. You know, on the wire here you put. That goes inside.
Yeah.
Yep.
So this one is ready.
Is that little or is it enough?
It's enough.
Seriously?
I think so. No.
There we go.
Okay. This one should be ready. Wouldn't it be easier if they're two separate?
No.
Look!
That's not sitting correctly for some reason.
Okay. No. It's not overlooked. I think they're good. Okay, good job. What a beautiful keyboard. It's so nice. When it's fully built up, it looks actually amazing. It's quite heavy. And I think it's time to do a type test. You can type with your fingers, super quiet, or you can use your nails to be extra talky.